In this problem, it is given that the area labeled B is 3 times the area of A. Express B in terms of A, right? So this is the graph given to us, right? And this is the area, that is A given by A. This is the area. This is B. This is given by capital B, area, right? Right. So let me write here. This is right. So area will be this. This graph is nothing but this is the graph for e to the power x, right? So we need to integrate from 0 to a, that is the limit for x, right? Simply here 0 to b for the graph b here, second graph, right? So we are just calculating the area, right? So we will be getting for area will be what? This will be a will be equals to e to the power a minus 1, right? Similarly for area of b, this is b, you can say this is b equals to nothing but e to the power b minus 1 here. Now you can say, but it is given that area of triangle b is equals to 3 times of the area A, right? So we are just putting this value, right? This is very simple, isn't it? Yes. So we will put this value, but we are getting e to the power something. So to cancel out e, that is exponential form, into we need to put into normal form. So what we will do here, we will just take ln, that is log. We know that log and e cancels each other, so this becomes b equals to, you can say ln 3 e to the power a minus 2. So this is our answer to this problem. In this way, we got the area of B in terms of A. So this is our answer. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you for watching.